everybody, I am super excited about today's project because I hit the thrift store recently and picked up a bunch of mismatched candle holders and vases, and I am going to fill them with some faux foliage, birds, and butterflies to create these Museum of Natural History dioramas. I am actually going to put these in my living room. I love them so much, and I think you're gonna like them too. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. You know how much I love it when you pop in and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Museum of Natural History bird and butterfly dioramas. Goodwill Industries began in Boston at the turn of the 19th century by the Reverend Edgar J. Helms. The idea was to fight poverty, not with charity, but with trade skills, and provide a chance for the poor and the unemployed to do productive work. The blue Morpho is one of the biggest butterflies in the world and can be found throughout Central and South America. Its wings are an iridescent blue edged with black and span up to 8 inches across. There are natural history museums in all of the 50 United States and the District of Columbia. The oldest is the Academy of Natural Sciences in Philadelphia and was founded in 1812. I'm going to leave a link to E6000, Unicorn Spit, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I'll see you next week. Bye.